brought to you by Shakey Super Delivery. Order your favorite thin crust pizza and chicken and Mojos now. And the volleyball action continues here at the Mandawi Sports Complex. At ngayon nga, UAP schools here, Ateneo and Adamson, will try to stay undefeated, while si Safi champion here, USC, will try to stun Ateneo, and Ateneo scoring first blood here. Grace Antigua, of course, the legend we have here, Grace Antigua. But this time, Suwan, there will be a check, and yes!
That's Ghana's good game.
Definitely, as early as now, I can really sense it. Suwan one more time, denied, and pinatch ball here for Ateneo.
And the anti just lessen the pressure.
Definitely this time, Chuatico activated already.
From like off the block and off the attack as well.
And that play was brought to you by Cake, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules down.
Like the common like observation right there is that they are strict, pero
Snar wants to play Velasquez. Good pickup here, say Pasha. Bisnar. Good hit there coming from Bisnar. As Tax Fujimoto serving here for Ateneo. Gagawan dito ng paraan Galinato. This time, hitting from the opposite. Wow, Sila scoring here for Ateneo.
And at that service error earlier, USC was trying to take advantage of that.
And just like that.
No. Ateneo just right now a powerful attack in the right in that momentum.
Jenna Hora with that strong serve. Yes! That's clear. And that play was brought to you by Cake, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. And if you're hitting from the pipe, it's way much ideal if you're going to hit down the line. But this time here,
Ateneo, as you see here on that replay, great set, quick attack on towards the libero.
But yun nga, Chuatico will play as an opposite Cortez. Pupuntahan si Pasha. No problem, sabi ni Say.
And Pasha.
De Leon now. This time, no. Cortez, double quick with De Leon, and it's good.
To mess with, you can see how quick they attack, how quick they move from one end to another. So you gotta match it up here.
As Ateneo already on set point here.
And got odd points so far from Julian Yu, as the other Yu just entered the
side position. This time, Tax Fujimoto, will this be the winning point? A point here.
Lady Eagles.
That they are doing, talagang pinapahirapan din itong mga UAP teams natin. Meanwhile here, Nesperos, good pick up there coming from Swan. Francie, you will give up a free ball. Want to play? Yes,
Cortez of Ateneo thought that was a set, but it was a tip in towards the back row. A powerful.
We got here another very good, I must say. She had her own moment yesterday. Wow, Bisnars
here for the Lady Warriors. Is having that warrior spirit in her. That's what those are your ACATS.
Very good. And this time, Swan! Wow! What a leaping ability there.
And now, Ghana Swan of De Leon.
How you want your girls, if you're Coach Grace, na bumawi. But just like that, De Leon says stop, and she'll gonna make a point. One is heading that.
They're now trailing by 1.
Velasquez to Swan again. That extra clutch every time that Swan is hitting that ball. Hermosora!
If USC has some gas in the tank left in the last few plays.
It's for us to find out as Francie Yu. Oh, good coverage here. Ana Hermosora. Velasquez here. Swan. Sa likod, no. Cortez pupuntahan, Hermosora, Justin deflected, and yes, a point here for
Velasquez. You can see that set, that flight, and the power as well to penetrate the defense.
Lalaro lang to, has high school with the Bacolod Dayton, and right now, as a collegiate one, napakabilis.
Number 6, you can see that set of Jolly Velasquez go way up because that is their problem. Like in the first, especially in the first set that
Meanwhile here, Cortez. Pupuntan Francillo, of course. Say Pasha on the opposite, and it's good.
and the power of Pasha.
Cortez, kanina pa dito sa service line. Good break there coming from the...
No, she's still popping off in this game and she's not slowing anytime as back.
Velasquez here. Pupuntahan. Wow, best na.
Just right in front of the libero is Jolly Velasquez. Wait.
Time. Nisperos, good receive there. Hermosora.
And that is in. Right off a set. A very long set. And the elevation right there for the attack.
And that was Selga. A missed reception there coming from Swan. Opportunity here. Regalo. That will be Nasayaw here for you.
Makes her a good blocker here.
And that play was brought to you by Cake, powered by Smart Our Way. And right now here for USC, Velasquez has two options. You have Nasayaw and Atay, but good coverage. What? A dig there! Ken, Donna May De Leon. Oh, no whistle. Buhay pa rin ang bola dito. Say Pasha, Cortez, tinignan. Donna May De Leon, and she scores!
De Leon off the set right there. She was just charging back. Pero she, as
A free ball. Velasquez. Good set. But Arroyo. Say Pasha. Oh! Cortez. Pupuntahan Esperos. That is inside.
that long rally. You can see that a little bit of the set. And Jerusha Atay, you can see that is are now down by 1.
Wow. After the down the line kill, an ace there. And really what a match, you know, those long rallies. Terence, Ateneo again. How about what a match between USC and Ateneo. I'm on the edge of my seat right now. As Say Pasha, ball is still good. Say Pasha one more time. Oh!
No, second set. As we take a look on that replay over two defenders, Jolly Velasquez trying to go for that ball. Wasn't able to hold.
Station as their setter Velasquez on deck to serve. We have three options, Atay, Galinato, and Besnar. And how about Quezon? Terence doing a wonderful job manning here. The defense, just like that. Another point, 4-0.
USC, they kicked off this third set with 4 straight points, something we don't usually see here. She's very confident on how she plays, as you know, the performance that she displays despite losses. And this first point here in the third set, the elevation right there from
Of a timeout, of course, to score immediately. Atay here. Wow, what a combination.
you know, she's quite silent from the second set, and right now in the third set, she is now up.
And that play was being here. Ateneo, they really need to work things out here. Nesperos scoring.
And Pasha working there to give Ateneo the point and go back.
Velasquez gagawan dito ng paraan. So, that will be Atay. Jenna Hora. Donna May De Leon. Good dig.
Point goes to Ateneo as we see that on the replay. That is off Nispero.
Sasing. Pupuntahan Swan. No entry. Chuatico. Bisnar. Cortez nandoon. Chuatico. Senetan. Jenna Hora. No worries there.
You can see that set of Celia is right in the middle when no one is not remain, you know, like chill in this game.
Definitely. Wow!
Monster. Gana Swan. See, natumba pa nga si Pasha.
And here, for Ateneo, Back set to Jenahora from the pipe. Sasing, Atay. Oh, Cortez, Chuatico.
Oh. And now, earlier, they are now on the lead. And again, as what I've said, a manageable lead earlier. They have success.
They have right now full rotation here for Ateneo. Oh, Galinato once again. Good pass. Let's see if Sasing will go to Swan. Oh!
That replay is set towards Gana Swan. That receive quite give USC that point, and they're
Fujimoto here, bumalik na din. So, makikita natin kung kaninong playmaking yung gagana dito on the fourth set. Here comes Fujimoto, Jenahora. Atay. Arroyo sweeping it. Jenahora, mahadong mataas for a drop. But Atay will adjust. Sila will set this up to Jenahora. What a rally here in the fourth set. Fujimoto to Pasha breaking down the wall.
You can see there the elevation plus the power. That could be a nightmare.
Service error is really hunting Ateneo's momentum. And let's see if they can minimize that. Say Pasha kung saan na pumapalo. Hitting from the opposite. Whoa!
Aggressive Swan.
That play was brought to you by Cake, powered by Smart Our Way. Our rules. Download the app.
By one lang. They also emphasize the need to recompose and keep their focus, and everything else will follow. Habang nakataas pa ang bola, take a
Velasquez 1-2 play.
Jolly Velasquez, let's just say that she's a two-way player.
And I think right now, Terence, now we understand why Velasquez was benched out to have that perspective. But Fujimoto to Jenahora, denied, and score a point for USC. Will serve this up to Ateneo. That will give Fujimoto just two options. That still a point for USC.
On the sides.
Well, let's see, what matters is to translate whatever strategy yung pinag-usapan nyo in the timeout. And Suwan! Arroyo Tax pupuntahan dito. Say Pasha! Jenahora. Tax Fujimoto to Sila! Tax pupuntahan Jenahora again! No! This time, Swan! Tax to Jenahora. Swan one more time!
Ladies in green.
We'll go back to Atay. Pasha! We need Pasha here for Ateneo.
Yes.
One more time! Pasha!
Pasha just pointing it.
Now, Velasquez, Galinato, automatic, always. Really, I'm still clueless who have the advantage here as Nisperos will hit this one and score a point for Ateneo.
Dapat.
And I think Nisperos here is the perfect candidate for that missing link that we have,
Yes.
for that winger, for that spark plug. 2 consecutive points already. Good save coming from Nisperos. Free ball. Kanino pupunta? Velasquez. 1-2 play!
But I do think Velasquez.
Couldn't agree more. He won this match contra Ateneo for sure. This Coliseum will be filled with so much cheer from our crowd. That USC have right now is Galinato nandito sa harap. Tignan natin. Sasing pupuntahan Galinato. Not over. Galinato, you and Atay. Pupuntahan Zay Pasha. But Swan. Atay here one more time. Oh! Fujimoto, Celia adjusting. This time, Pasha scores for Ateneo.
And
Velasquez. You. This one, Jenahora. Oh!
on their prime in this game already.
I must say. Swan! Tax Fujimoto. What a coverage here for USC! Tax Fujimoto pupuntahan, Faye Nispero. Oh!